Hello everybody and welcome to The Starting Block. My name is Eli Regalado. This is the fastest 3 minutes in startups. Joining us today is Jeremy Keys. He's the COO and co-founder of Mercury Continuity Partners based in Washington, D.C. Jeremy, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, Eli. How are you?
I am wonderful. One sunny Denver, Colorado. Can't complain. So, Jeremy, what is Mercury Continuity Partners and what do you guys do? But I want you to tell me in a 30-second pitch.
All right, so Mercury Continuity was established to provide government and corporate clients with redundant or backup connectivity through any situation. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you're a government agency, corporation, you have a fiber optic line that you're using for your data, your voice, something happens to that primary connection, our service automatically fails over and keeps you online through a seamless process utilizing satellite, microwave, fiber optic, and sometimes free space optics.
So, Jeremy, I'm going to ask you a question. What is the importance of this business? I mean, you're talking failover, and make sure you're up and running, natural disasters. So, why is that important? I mean, if a natural disaster hits, why is it important to kind of stay up and running?
Sure. Well, it's got, again, applications on both the public and private side. If a private company goes down, even for a moment of, or a matter of minutes, it can mean millions, billions of dollars in losses. If you're talking about a large-scale financial institution that's doing a lot of tick-based instantaneous trading, and then on the public sector side as well. If again, we had an earthquake here in Washington, D.C. last year, so nothing's out of the realm of possibility. Those fiber optic connections go down. It take weeks to get those set up again. What we're able to provide is a way to maintain that connectivity throughout the disaster, automatically fail over to something that's not going to be as susceptible to those problems.
So I know that there's phone companies, there's IT organizations, there's all these people that are kind of trying to do something in this space. It seems a little crowded to me, and I can't really see how Mercury Continuity Partners is going to play. So how do you guys establish yourself in this marketplace, and how do you actually get the attention of these big agencies to really come to you and say, we want to use you guys to make sure that if anything happens, we can stay connected and we can keep our constituents and citizens connected as well?
Right. So again, we are in the enterprise technology sector, which is not an easy sector to break into for a startup company. Whereas a lot of startup tech companies may have 1,000 or 1 million clients that they're trying to get and trying to advertise to, we could be a successful business with only having 2 or 3 clients per year. That said, we'd like to have a lot more, but what really differentiates us is our ability to scale. We can do anything from a very small size project to a large scale corporation. That's again by being able to utilize various technologies, various technology partners, be able to get our clients the best price possible and be able to provide the highest level of service in any given circumstance.
Well, for the people that are watching this today and who love helping startups and love seeing startups grow and create jobs for Americans, what do you need from the startup community to really take you to the next level?
Well, again, right now, as I said before, we are in the enterprise technology space. Every client that we get is worth maybe 1,000 clients for somebody like Facebook. So what we need is connections in that community, and we're looking to raise money. So what we would like to do is, if anybody's out there watching this that is really interested in this space, in the enterprise technology space, it's really interesting. A lot of things are changing really quickly, and we would love to get involved with you and show someone, specifically a strategic investor, somebody who really knows the space, who understands the potential that we've got. We'd love to get in touch, talk with you, and see what we can do together.
Okay, and last question, I'm just going to throw this out there. It's different from the ones we normally ask, but why did you decide to become an entrepreneur? And why did you decide to become?
That's a really good question.
Yeah, and why did you decide to become an entrepreneur in these times?
That's actually a really good question. It originated with myself and my partner, the CEO, Adam Jaffe, really wanting to get into the not-for-profit space. We looked at what happened in Japan last year, how having a loss of data, voice connection really affected the entire area that was affected by the earthquake, the tsunami. We said, what could we do to help if we had any available resources? We figured out that this was a very expensive solution. Probably made a little bit more sense to go to the corporate side, see how it worked there, and then be able to facilitate what we really want to do on the not-for-profit side.
Gotcha. So it came and it stemmed as a result of you wanting to help the world, and you said in order to do that we need to make money so that we can actually give some money.
Exactly. Kind of altruistic, but we'd also like to make some money along the way.
Don't blame you. All right. So Jeremy, how do people get in contact with you?
Well, you could visit our website at any time. It's www.mercurycontinuity.com. Also follow us on Twitter at MercuryCP, and we're on Facebook too, Mercury Continuity.
Excellent. Well, folks, we're out of time. Jeremy, thank you so much for your time today. We wish you all the best in your new startup venture out in DC. Let us know if we can help at any point. And again, America, thanks for tuning in.
All right. Thanks, Eli.
Thank you.